Namaste. Coming to mountain pose, pranam at the heart. Sun and moon mudra, fingertips spread apart, looking up, I worship the sun. Looking down, I worship the moon. I worship the sun. I worship the moon. I worship the sun. I worship the moon. I worship the sun and moon. Tight pranam at the heart space. Lowering into tight pranam, standing forward bend. Tight squat, arching the head up. And we do this 5 times, placing your concentration on Mother Earth. Practicing this pose balances the throat chakra and opens up the medulla, clearing any karma. Lowering to hands and knees, preparing for ancient dog, making sure the toes are lifted on this first dive. Placing the arms in front, inhaling as you sweep forward, and exhale, arching up. Having the feet lowered, doing this 3 more times. Inhaling and exhaling back. Curling the toes, pushing back, downward dog. 5 breaths. Coming to hands and knees, preparing for cat-cow. Inhaling, arching into cow. And exhale into cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale to cat. Curling the toes under. Stretching the right arm up, back, and around into camel pose. Left arm follows, holding at the ankles. 5 breaths here. Feeling the right side, the sun side, is where the masculine warms the space of the feminine. Camel pose opens the heart and throat chakra. Releasing the posture, left hand over and around, right hand follows, coming back to hands and knees, preparing for ancient dog. 4 times. Toes up, inhale. Sweeping forward, lower the toes, arching up. And pushing back into downward dog. 5 breaths. Kneeling lunge, extend the right leg up and through the hands, preparing for sun mudra, leaning forward, hands overhead, I worship the sun, and pushing back and looking down, I worship the moon. I worship the sun, I worship the moon. I worship the sun and moon. Hands back down beside your feet, placing the feet back as we prepare for ancient dog. Lifting the toes, inhaling, and begin. This posture brings energy to the solar plexus, where prana meets apana. Raising the knees in the pose brings circulation to the knees and legs. Curling the toes, downward dog. 5 breaths. Coming to hands and knees, preparing for cat-cow 3 times. Coming into camel pose, extending the right arm forward, back and down. Left arm follows, holding at the ankles. 5 breaths here. Releasing the left arm over, forward and down. Right arm follows, planting the hands. Coming to hands and knees, ancient dog. Inhaling. Tucking the toes, pushing back, downward dog. 5 breaths. Lifting the left leg, preparing for your kneeling lunge, bringing it forward, tucking the right toe, coming forward, hands above. I worship the sun, moving back and looking down. I worship the moon. I worship the sun. I worship the moon. I worship the sun and moon. Bringing both hands in front of you, meeting the right leg with the left, standing forward bend, placing the fingertips strongly on the mat, tight squat, arching the head up, and we do this 5 times, making sure that the toes are planted and the heels are raised and the back of the neck arches. Standing forward bend, imagining the sacred dhuni, the fire in front of you, waiting to hear the crackling of the wood before you rise, hearing this within your inner ear. As you slowly begin to rise, emanating and being the smoke of the sacred dhuni, rolling the shoulders up, back, and down, head comes up last, overhead pranam, splitting open the spiritual heart. Coming to healing the feet, left heel rises first, right heel follows, coming to a lowered squat, still in pranam, lowering the hands and the forearms, and lowering the hips onto the mat. If you require a prop, you may use that at this time. Coming into easy pose, placing our hands on either sides of our hips, arching the head back, looking up, 5 breaths. Offer the heart to the sun and the moon. Releasing the posture as we prepare for our spinal twist. Left hand on the right knee. Inhale 3 times. On the 4th, alternate sides. 3 inhales. 4th, hold root lock and look over the shoulder and release. 2 more times on each side. Coming to lotus pose or easy pose, putting the fingers in Om Mudra above your knees. Relax the body, roll the shoulders back and down. Closing your eyes, feel the essence drop into your solar plexus, which holds the sun and the planets as the prana meets apana. Shiva, Purusha creates the warmth. Shakti, Prakriti goes into the warmth. Shakti devours Shiva after he, her. Namaste.